Welcome to Model Minds 3D. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most complex and fascinating systems of the human body, the nervous system. From controlling our heartbeat to interpreting the world around us, the nervous system is the command center of the body. Let's break it down and explore how it all works. What is the nervous system? The nervous system is the body's communication network. It's responsible for transmitting signals between different parts of the body and the brain. It allows us to think, feel, move, and react to the world around us. The nervous system is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. Each plays a unique and essential role. The central nervous system, CNS, 3D animation of the brain and spinal cord. Narrator: the central nervous system is made up of the brain and spinal cord. It's the control center of the body, processing information and making decisions. Let's break it down further. The brain is the most complex organ in the body. It has three main parts: cerebrum, responsible for thinking, memory, emotions, and voluntary movements. Cerebellum controls balance, coordination, and fine motor skills. Brainstem manages basic life functions like breathing, heart rate, and digestion. The spinal cord. The spinal cord acts as a highway for signals between the brain and the rest of the body. It also controls reflexes, which are quick automatic responses to stimuli. The peripheral nervous system is made up of all the nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. It connects the central nervous system to the rest of the body. The PNS has two main divisions: the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system. The somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements and transmits sensory information. For example, when you pick up an object or feel something hot, the somatic nervous system is at work. Autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary functions like heartbeat, digestion, and breathing. It has two subdivisions: the sympathetic and parasympathetic systems. Sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for action, often called the fight or flight response. Parasympathetic nervous system promotes relaxation and recovery, often referred to as rest and digest. Neurons, the building blocks of the nervous system. The basic unit of the nervous system is the neuron, a specialized cell that transmits electrical and chemical signals. How signals travel through the nervous system. Let's see how signals travel through the nervous system. Imagine you touch something hot. Here's what happens step by step. The sensory nerves in your hand detect the heat and send a signal to your spinal cord. The spinal cord quickly relays the signal to your brain. The brain processes the information and sends a command back through motor nerves to move your hand away. This process happens in milliseconds, protecting you from harm. Common disorders of the nervous system. While the nervous system is incredibly efficient, it can be affected by various disorders. Some common conditions include Alzheimer's disease, a progressive brain disorder that affects memory and thinking; epilepsy, a condition characterized by recurrent seizures caused by abnormal brain activity; Parkinson's disease, a disorder that affects movement and coordination due to a lack of dopamine; multiple sclerosis, an autoimmune disease that damages the protective covering of nerves. To keep your nervous system healthy, here are some tips. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Exercise regularly to promote blood flow to the brain. Get enough sleep, as it's essential for brain function. Avoid excessive stress, smoking, and alcohol, which can harm the nervous system. The human nervous system is an extraordinary network that powers everything we do, from thinking and feeling to moving and surviving. By understanding how it works, we can better appreciate the incredible complexity of the human body. Thanks for watching Model Minds 3D. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing 3D educational content. See you in the next video.